Senior Kids, once again I welcome you all in the EVS class, Environmental Studies. So this whole month, as I said, that we are going to learn about landforms and pollution. So in the previous class we had finished learning about the landforms. In the next half classes will be with the pollution. We'll go with the pollution. Okay. So what do you think, children? What is a pollution? What is meant by pollution actually? You don't know? Okay, if to make you this understand better, I'm going to ask you some question. Okay, what would you like to prefer? A clean hand or unclean hand? What would you like? If you eat the food, will you eat the food by unclean hand or will you wash out the hands and then clean and then eat your food? Yes, we always prefer a clean hand. Okay, and then what would you like to? Where would you like to live in? A clean house or unclean house? Dirty house? We would like to live in a clean house. No one likes to live in an unclean or dirty house. Okay, in the same way, what would you like to wear? A clean dress or unclean dress? We would like to wear clean dress, obviously. Okay, children. So these are something we always like to have clean in everything. Clean hands, clean dress, clean house. Everything must be clean. Okay, if everything will be clean, then we will be healthy and fit. Okay, children. But can you tell me that how and what would you like to prefer? Okay, as I asked you that you like to prefer clean house or unclean house. Okay, next final question is, what would you like to prefer? A clean earth or the unclean earth? We would like to prefer clean earth. But how can earth become unclean? How does earth become unclean or dirty? You know? Okay, so in the rest of the classes we are going to learn about how an earth, our mother planet, becomes unclean or dirty. Okay, and for that we are going to learn about pollution. So if the earth becomes polluted, then earth becomes unclean. You might be thinking how? So there are three main parts of the earth, such as land, water, air. So if these three things or three places will be clean, then our earth will be clean always. If these three places becomes unclean or dirty, then our earth will become polluted. Okay, now I am going to show you the picture of a clean air. Can you see the picture? Can you see the clear sky in this picture? The sky is very clear. It means that the sky is clean. It's a clean sky. Now, how does this sky looks? The sky is filled with smoke, right? The smoke that comes out of the factory has made the sky look smoky and dirty. Now, can you see the difference between the clean sky and the unclean sky? Okay. Now, another picture I am going to show you about a clean land. How clean is the land? Can you see, children? Yes. Okay. Now, look at this picture. Is this clean? No, this is not clean. This is very unclean. That is polluted. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you another picture. Can you see this picture? A clean land and clean sky. A clear sky. Okay, this is a picture of clear land and clear sky. So, that shows that this is very clean. Now, have a look at the picture of lake. And how is the water of the lake? It's very clean, isn't it, children? This is really clean lake. We would like to go for boating in that lake. Now have a look at this water. Is this clear, clean or unclean? It's unclean because as we can clearly see that some dirties, some litters are floating on it. And look at another picture of water. Can you see the oil floating on the water? It had made the water dirty or unclean or polluted. Okay, when air, land and water gets polluted. Polluted means if unwanted things have been thrown in that place where we should not throw, it becomes polluted. Okay, children. So this is what we call pollution. Okay, and in pollution we are going to learn about air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Okay, and the first topic will be about the air pollution. So what is air pollution? Air pollution means if the bad smokes that comes out from the cars in the road and factories emits exhaust gases, and what happens when everything bad gases emits from the car and from the factories, it makes the air dirty, and that is called air pollution. Air pollution. So if the air gets dirty from the bad gases, okay, it is called air pollution. And how does it causes? I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay, it causes by the gas that emits from the car. Can you see? This car is emitting much more gases, bad gases. And then look at the fire. Fire in the jungle. It's in the field or in the forest. When something burns, the bad smoke comes out of it. If someone smokes, what comes? Bad smoke comes out of it. Someone smokes, bad smoke comes out of it. So these causes air pollution. The bad gases that emits from the exhaust from the factories causes air pollution. Not only that, during the time of celebration of Diwali, when we burn the crackers, it causes smoke pollution or the air pollution. It exhausts bad smoke or causes the air pollution. So these are the causes of air pollution. Now what are the effects of air pollution? What happens? What are the effects of air pollution? Now we breathe in air. Not only we, animals, even plants also needs air. But if the surrounding place is totally polluted or the air is totally polluted, what happens? We breathe those air also. And what happens if we breathe those polluted air? It goes inside our lungs and causes illness. Okay, it causes illness, and we have trouble in breathing. We face trouble in breathing, and it causes creates problem in our lungs also. But we can bring down the level of this air pollution. How we can bring down the level of this air pollution? There are solutions that we could have a control on air pollution. So how we can control the air pollution? The very first thing is we have to maintain our vehicle regularly. We have to give our vehicle for maintenance. We have to maintain our vehicle regularly so that it may not emit much bad gases or bad air. Okay, and then we should not smoke, and we should not let anyone to smoke in and around us. Okay, and then we should not burn crackers that emits much smoke. We should not burn the crackers that emits much smoke. We can have the smokeless Diwali. Okay, and then we should not burn any litters that creates a bad smoke. Okay, children. So these are the things that we could follow, and we could control the air pollution. Even we could go by walk. For example, if we need to buy anything from the shop that is nearby our house, we need not to take the vehicle. We can go by walk and buy the things. Instead of using motor vehicle always, we could use bicycle. Pedaling bicycle is good for health also. Okay, and then we could use carpool. Carpool means if we are in living in an apartment, 2-3 families together, we can go in a car in a place wherever we want. Okay, so this is called carpool. So these are the solution of air pollution. So today we have learned about pollution, starting with air pollution. How does air pollution causes, and what are the effects of air pollution, and what are the solution of air pollution. Okay, so next what are we going to do? We are going to do the worksheet. So pick up this worksheet, page number 38. Color the boxes red for the pictures that cause air pollution. So there are boxes given in the pictures, near the picture. So first one is firecrackers. What happens when we burn the crackers? It causes air pollution, right? So color this box red. Does tree causes air pollution? No. So don't color it. Smoke comes out from the fire. If we fire anything or we burn anything, what comes out? Smoke, and it causes air pollution. So color this box red. Train engine. Okay, smoke causes coming out of the engine. Okay, when the train goes, it emits black color smoke, and that causes air pollution. So color this. And next, smoke coming out of the factory. Okay, that causes air pollution. So color it with red. You have to use red color crayons only. Mobile phone. Does mobile phone causes air pollution? No. If someone smoke, they causes air pollution. So color this box red. Flower pot. Does flower pot causes air pollution? No. So what are the picture that causes air pollution? Firecrackers, burning something out, and then engine, and then factories, and if someone smokes. Okay, so these are the 5 things that causes air pollution. So do this worksheet, children, and follow these activities that I have taught you today. Okay, to bring down the level of air pollution. Okay, children, with this I am coming to an end of today's class. Until I meet you in the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.